Yo, hi guys, so here I am, I'm standing outside Odincon and I'm really early. Can't even get tickets to get in yet, but I'll soon be going in. So now I'm just gonna wait for a bit. So yeah, we're inside and as you can clearly see there's a lot of stuff here other than just drones. We've got a fighter jet and I guess I'll be allowed to go up and sit in it. That's gonna be pretty wicked. So I just thought I'll show you the engine of one of these. Just check it out. Totally insane. Yeah, there's loads of really cool stuff here. Right now I'm in the car section. We've got some really sweet rides here as well. Check this out. Not shabby at all. It's the Lotus. Pretty nice. What have we got here? I guess you know this one from America. Very nice. Is it? Oh yeah, that's the Aston Martin, man. Some really good stuff here. But as I said, I'm here really early, so everything's just pretty much just starting up now. Ikke mere strøm. Super fedt. Super fedt. Oh, he's ripping. Look at this guy rip, man. And it's a really tight space. It's like only, I don't know, 50 Yeah, the Danish master, he's ripping pretty tight in this tight space. Oh! The champion of Denmark. Hope you're loving it like me. So yeah. So I'm behind the scenes now. I'm just gonna check out what they've got back here. They've got some simulators they can try, and they've also got some tiny whoop style. I think it's the bee whoop that they have got with loads of bee whoops here. Check this out. Very nice. YouTube. YouTuber. So Apex drone racing. They've got like a really cool stall here. I guess you all know these products. I think these are the goggles from E-Sheen. They're pretty small though. And they're racing again. I've gotta watch. Look at this guy rip! Woo! Freaking insane, man. And it's like 50 or 60 square meters. Oh, wipeout. So I'm here, I'm still over at the Apex store, and of course they gave me some really nice stickers, and I got to play around with a bee whoop, which is, they're making a kit here that's going to go for sale next spring, and they're still racing around. It's really cool. They're really nice guys. Huge shout out to Apex team, everything. It's just great. They're a really bunch of good guys, and they're really tough pilots here. Yeah, as you can clearly see, there's a drone hanging up there. Check it out. Yeah, this is the autonomous drone. It's instead of having a guard dog basically, and you can do all kinds of put all kinds of sensors on this, and it is from Lorentz Technologies. Pretty sick drone, this one. That's why I had to come back. So yeah, just a size comparison. Massive props. We've got some other things here. We've got a drone from Integra over here, and that's also a big one. And these are all professional drones for measurements and geomapping and surveillance and rescue missions or transport, anything you want. So yeah, I just wanted you to show you this one. It's pretty cool. Also, just for size comparison. Testically new. Check the motors. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Size comparison. That's pretty good. It's like a 2-inch motor. Insane motor. Yep, search and rescue missions. And they also have, this is Integra, they also have this amazing plane that they're working on, prototype. So, yep, pretty cool. So let's go check out some other things. There was there are some robots here that I haven't really showed you guys. These are Robot Nordic. They have a nice product here. Now they're actually moving. Look at how smooth this one is. These are pick and place robots for production, and this one has a vacuum gripper on top. It's just a very simple. You can move it anywhere. Look at this. It's just amazing. And just program it from a touch screen. It can be moved around. The robot is powered directly from a socket over there. Yeah. So these are like packaging robots. Amazing stuff. So yeah, and what have we got here? We've got a virtual reality first-person shooter. And this guy is totally inside this game now. It's pretty sick. And we have a underwater drone. So what would you call it? I'm not filming you, I'm just filming the drone. So what would you call this?
I find the term UAV to be incredibly confusing because they're like AUV.
So AUV?
Well, no, an AUV is an aerial unmanned vehicle.
Yeah.
And this is an underwater autonomous vehicle.
Oh boy.
It's slightly confusing. But yes, on a good day, it's an underwater drone. But today, as it turns out, it's not a good day.
It's not so much underwater. But it is pretty amazing. This has some really high-tech components. I guess this is not the finished product, but a kind of a prototype.
It's the frame is actually something you can get from a company in California. It's sort of the same with aerial drones.
Yeah.
You buy a frame, and then the inside's what I've put in there. But yeah, I'm basically using what I can get off the shelf.
Do you mind if I show who you? This is going on YouTube. I'm a channel now.
Okay.
So
sure.
Anybody who's going to be watching it. Yeah, he said yes, but I mean, it's always nice to see who's speaking. But this is pretty much the only underwater drone here.
At this event, yes.
At this event in Odincon.
Yeah.
Were you in England as well, just the past week?
No.
Okay, there's a lot of my viewers and friends they went to film that. So, and I'm the only one here in Denmark, so that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
But I walked past and I was hoping that it was going to go in the water and I was able to film it for you guys. Unfortunately, not. But that's just, you know, sometimes there are just some fail-safes that have to be fixed. So yeah, that's just the way it is. Well, I'm just trying to make it short because there's so much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. See ya. So that's pretty much it for this section. We've got some 3D printers over here, which is really sweet. I already picked up a part earlier, but oh, it's still printing small robots. Oh, isn't that cute? It's almost finished. Very nice, very nice. Looks good. It's the Ultimaker 2 Plus. And it's just been printing, these things all day. And lots of them, as you can clearly see. So these are little souvenirs that you can take home. Pretty sweet. And then what have we got here? We've got some, these are all the companies that are affiliated or within the Odense Robotics team. So that's really, really sweet. Okay guys, I'm standing here at Quadsat and this is the beast. Check this out. It's freaking insane. And it's a very technical drone. It's for pointing satellites, for adjusting satellites, the dish? Or
we are actually testing satellite dishes. We fly with the drone at a certain distance from the satellite dish, and we test with this, which is our transmitter.
Yeah.
But we can also receive that. We are testing the.
So it's like as if this was a satellite.
Yes, you can say that.
Yeah. Okay. It's just I'm trying to keep it really simple because not everybody's got, and I don't even understand half of it. But it's definitely high tech, and it's not a camera. This thing is not a camera, guys. It's actually the RF. It sends the signal down to wherever you need it to go. So, but this would be a wicked FPV drone, though, no doubt about it. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna move on. I was hoping that there was gonna be a lot more, but there isn't. Unfortunately, I haven't really walked around and checked everything, but I don't think there is any more that has to do with drones. But obviously, I'm gonna be walking around all day. Well, not all day, but most of the day, and filming a bit and checking out what it's like. There's a lot about gaming here. I think that's the main event, is gaming and gaming technology. But yeah, we can take a little bit of a look over here. You see, there's a lot of gaming stuff. You see, there's a whole arcade over here. It's looking really good. You can play all kinds of funny arcade games, and there's a lot of people here now. It's looking really good. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this so far, because I am. I'm going to be walking around here, just filming a bit and checking it out. I hope there's going to be. I'm going to see if I can find. I'm going to see if I can find some more drones. I doubt that I can, though, because it seems that Apex are the only ones who are actually doing anything with drones here today, which is a shame. I was hoping there were more, but they're the Danish team, so.